Yo, what up guys, I'm Sammy.
And I'm Lucas.
And welcome back to Patched, and today we're going to be reviewing the Turtle Beach Recon 200 Gen 2. So these are headphones that actually got sent to us, but it's not sponsored. They just sent it to us for us to review. So if you guys do want to get it, we'll leave a link in the description box. These headphones normally go for 60 bucks, but they're on sale for like 50 bucks. So
yeah, 45, 50 bucks at the time of making this video. So yes, try and get them on sale if you can.
Let's get right into it. So when I first got the box, it says, just look, right? It says Recon 200 Gen 2 powered gaming headset, and it says wired. But then it says 12-hour battery life. So I was like, wait, what? Is it wireless or why is there a battery? And there's no RGB on this. So Lucas, you want to tell them what that's for?
I was very confused as well. I was like, what is the battery for on these? Because I figured maybe you can just take the wire out, I guess. But like,
let's take this wire out, guys.
Not a good idea. Do not advise that. Yeah. It's actually for the bass boosting as well as the mic monitoring in there. So if you don't care about either of those things, you never need to charge it. So just think of it as a wired headset at that point.
Pretty much.
Now this is multi-platform, so it's actually good on, from what I understand, it's good on mobile devices, PlayStation, Xbox, and Switch, but it's only good in handheld mode for the Switch. And it's just got your standard 3.5mm jack. Not very long. I would say it's about 3.5 feet.
That was annoying. For me, yeah, that was really annoying because usually I put all my stuff behind my desk and then it goes to my computer. But with these, I had to go through the front, you know what I mean? Because the cord is so damn short. But normally this is made for like consoles, you know? So you just hook it up or just connect it to your controller. And if the wire was super long for the controller, then yes, that would be annoying. So I do get the design for that, but just be wary of that if you are a PC player.
Yeah, and I mean, on the box, it's pretty much advertised as like a console type gaming headset. And it's only really when you read the fine text where it's like, yeah, and PC. So we know that it's mainly geared towards console gamers, but we used it on PC for our reviewing session. Let's get into the comfortability aspect of this guy. How did you feel with this guy on your head?
Not very good, honestly. Okay, so the cushion here is super nice. The foam is very, very soft, and I really like this mesh material, right? So it's around the ear and it's very, very comfortable. But the size of these headphones is just so small. Like, I have a small head, guys. Like, it's not big, right? And then when I put these on, I have to put it on at the max setting, and I've never had to do that ever on any headphones. Like, usually for me, like for headphones, I just go like 1 or 2 clicks out and then it fits me. But for these, look, I have to put it all the way out, and it's
like
still
squared. It looks
it's
weird.
very squared. Yeah,
weird.
So I definitely felt the top of the headphones here, and there's a little bit of cushion, but not a whole lot.
And the plastic protrudes out more than the cushion itself on the sides here. So.
Exactly. So when I was wearing these for even like 20 minutes, I feel like it was really, really uncomfortable on top of my head. And also, I feel like I get the headphone dent if I wore these for a long time, right? So I guess if you have a big head, this probably is a really bad option for you. If you're a toddler, then you should be okay, I guess. I don't know, like my head's small. Like how
I would say I'm a toddler because this was pretty comfortable on my head. I gotta
really?
Tell you. Yeah, it was pretty dang comfortable. Like I didn't feel like I needed to really expand them too much. Just make maybe a couple clicks. And we'll get into how those clicks are in a little bit. But like, it was pretty comfortable like that. Okay. And it says it advertises being comfortable with glasses. You said it felt comfortable with your glasses, right? That's fine, yeah. So it felt really good. Honestly, I think the cushion on the earphones, like the ear cups alone, is the most comfortable I've felt on a pair of headphones. And I've actually tried a lot of headphones, and usually after extended use, it just gets annoying or it's too hot or whatever it may be. These guys, I didn't experience any of that with this. So very, very good job on them on the foam for the ear cups alone. The top needs some work.
Yes, and also another thing that really helped is the weight. So as you guys can see, it's an all plastic construction, which for build quality is not good. But if you want comfort and like if you want a pair of headphones that's super light, it's coming in at like 220 grams, which is super light for a pair of headphones. So that's really good. So Lucas, you didn't really have any problems wearing it like a couple hours, right?
Not at all. No problem.
Okay, so let's move on to build quality. So like I said, all plastic, and yeah, just feeling it in hand, it feels really cheap, you know, and like, I don't know, as far as the adjustable like straps here, like look at that. It's hard to just stay on one click and one step.
Yeah, it just kind of like flows and like
Yeah.
if you literally put it on your head, it'll like unclick a couple times.
Yes.
Like it's weird. It's really janky.
Yes, and I don't know, it's just the overall construction, like the plastic here on top of the headphones, and also here on the actual headphones, it's not very nice. It is adjustable, like you can flip the ear cups like this for I guess more portability, and there are some extra like hinges as well for more adjustability for fit. But the overall build quality and construction is like not good, but you know, it's like $50.
Yeah,
so.
it's a I'd say it's a $45 when you catch it on sale. It's a $45 headset. It definitely feels like it feels kind of like one of those headsets like that I got when I was like on the Xbox 360, where you just kind of knew it was gonna break in a couple months and you have to buy a new one. So I'd say like if you're at like a Best Buy and they offer like a protection plan or something, just get it. Do it.
Yeah, pretty much.
Because we can't speak to the long-term durability. We've only had this for a few weeks, and that's how long we've been using it. But it just, feels like your typical plastic, $40, $60 headset.
And as far as audio quality goes, so I did listen to music, and it's not that nice for audio quality for music. So I mean, it's for gaming, so that makes sense. I mean, the bass was pretty muddy, the vocals weren't clear really at all, and everything just kind of sounded mushy. I'm not saying it's terrible, but it also wasn't like really good. So yeah, for music, you should probably look elsewhere if you're gonna be listening to music and also playing games. But as far as games goes, we really had no issues.
Yeah, no issues at all. It was easy to hear footsteps. I mean, Turtle Beach has been in the game for so long with these headsets that you really don't have any issues with gaming on these guys. I mean, I could hear footsteps, everything. There was no latency. Obviously, it's a wired headset, so it was fine. The mic monitoring and bass boosting, I think it's honestly like a gimmick. I could do without that. I don't really think it's necessary. I'd rather them knock $10-20 off the headset and just not include that personally, but maybe some people use that. Maybe that's different. Let us know down in the comments if you're one of the people that uses that. And it does charge via just a standard USB to USB-C cable that is about like maybe a foot and a half. So that's how it charges. I mean, everyone's got a little plug for this at somewhere in their house, so
yes.
Not a huge problem that it doesn't come with a brick or anything.
How's the quality of the microphone though?
Mic quality, I mean,
Yeah,
you're getting $45 worth of microphone quality, I'll tell you that. Not really up to par, but that's kind of that's what you'd expect from like a standard console headset. I'm picturing COD lobbies, people screaming in there, peeking their mics. That's just how it is. That's just what it is.
Yes. Yell some profanities, you know what I mean?
I feel like in the party chats though, they like compress the audio so much that it's not even worth putting a good mic in one of these, because like it's just gonna, when you get into a COD lobby, everything sounds like junk anyways, because it's just how their party systems are.
And then as far as the controls go, we have the USB-C port if you want to charge the headphones. We got a switch for Xbox and PlayStation, and then above that we have the mic monitoring volume, and then right above that we have the actual volume of the headset. So we have a lot of knobs and stuff. It feels pretty nice. There is a definite stop, like when you've reached max, and when you reach pretty much zero. So that's actually very nice. But yeah, overall for me personally, I didn't really enjoy these headphones all too much. I mean, for a gaming headset, they definitely did work. But just because of the size and it being uncomfortable on top of my head, and the build quality not being as good as I would like, yeah, it's hard for me to recommend to you guys. But I mean, it is very cheap. So if you want to pretty much save as much money as you can, and you're switching between, I guess, PC and console, then this is a pretty good option.
Yeah, I mean, I would say for a cheap headset, for a $45 to $60 headset, I'd say get it on sale if you can. And I would say it's really not really meant for long-term usage. I would say if you're looking for something more long-term or more high quality, I mean, you pretty much already know the drill with this. You should just save your money and get something, higher quality. They have higher quality microphones or headphones that you're looking for out there. So if you're looking for that, go for it. If not, if you just want something cheap, get you by, this will do it.
Yes, so anyways, that about concludes our review. Again, if you guys want to get it, we'll leave a link in the description box, but that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.
See you in the next one.